Of course, I'm not hinting at anything, but suddenly you want to cook this. For example, this Monday, mix the egg and sugar in a cup and grind everything, add milk, mix, sift the flour, add baking powder and a pinch of salt, mix everything well, pour in the melted butter and add a couple of drops of red coloring. Again, I'm not hinting at anything, mix everything well, bake the pancakes on a dry frying pan on both sides until golden brown. And for the cream, mix sour cream, berries, and a little sugar. Blend everything with a blender. Oh, I don't even know who gets such beauty. Maybe for you, maybe for your significant other. By the way, children won't refuse these pancakes either. In general, without hinting at anything, but you need to subscribe and prepare. If your hands are completely growing out of your ass, don't worry, we can handle even such hands and make this recipe. No, it's easier to take 3 bananas, peel them, of course, and cut out holes like these. Take the biggest chocolate bar and try to cram the unfitting into this banana. But, as it turned out, it was still crammed in. Then we take the finished puff pastry, it doesn't matter whether it's yeasted or not, whatever it is, and cut it into small strips like this. Somehow we wrap a banana with chocolate, carefully, you can try, of course, but how will it turn out? Brush with egg and place in the oven at 180 degrees for 15 minutes. That's all. Go cook and try to ruin this recipe for me.